Hello everyone, I am Zia Ahmed and I am involved in trainings and developments of supply chain management. Today I will be discussing Bill of Materials, commonly abbreviated as BOM or BOM. For understanding its nature and importance, let us see an example of cooking a complex dish requiring many ingredients. An experienced chef who has done it many times will do it from his memory to get the same great result. But if we have no experience or very little experience, then how we can do it? A simple way is to have its recipe showing ingredients and their cooking instructions in a written format in front of us. This makes the whole task much easier and the chances of mistakes are minimized. Now take the same logic to a factory floor where the same process may be conducted by different individuals having varying level of expertise. And it is necessary to deliver a standard measurable quality for the customer. So how do we achieve this? Here it is helpful to have a list of required items and assembly instructions in a written format, easily accessible and visible at the point of production. In a computerized manufacturing environment, the BOM and process is built into the production plan and is displayed on a monitor. This takes out any mystery of the process, making it easier and lessening probabilities of error. Essentially, Bill of Materials is a list of all materials, components, assemblies, sub-assemblies and their respective quantities that make up a product. Brief description of items, their respective warehouse location and unit of measurements may be included to facilitate the pickup. Depending upon the complexity of the product, the process may be single stage or multiple stage. Multiple stage if some components need assembly also. The product structure showing the parent-child relationship of the components and the order in which they are to be assembled is also included. Let us see the following diagram for an easy understanding. You can see this starts with instructions for assembly, then customer's name, and sometimes the name of project is also mentioned. In top portion, item number, required quantity, and warehouse location is stated. The bottom portion contains direction for assembly. Bill of Materials is mostly used in manufacturing or production environments and can help in maintaining quality and reordering items. Finance teams can use it to figure out cost of complete products. For keeping it accurate, any engineering changes done to finished products, assemblies or sub-assemblies must be reported to BOM file immediately. Inaccurate BOM is simply disastrous. It can increase cost and wastage, can result in low product quality, and wrong input for future purchasing and inventory decisions.